Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to show you this amazing creation of creativity of crochet craft. Beautiful crochet craft is here, and crafting is more than just fun. It's relieve your stress and go to dive into magical world and gives you the beautiful feelings of handmade ornaments and handmade craft. Crafting is more than just fun, more than just creativity. It's a stress release hormones. It's a pure dopamine creator and make something by your hands. It's a beautiful things, beautiful and lovely things. And you can make your crafty things. You can make your crafty things is very in an interesting way. You can make beautiful home, you can make house, you can make wall hanging decorations ideas, you can make pencil holder, old jars with add some crochet and add some beautiful ornaments like this and beautiful handmade decoration ideas. So in this video I going to show you beautiful and useful ornaments, useful craft ideas for everyone who wants to do something with craft, like handmade ornaments, handmade craft, and who wants to love this type of things like making something unique and extra for this X-Max decorations. And it is the power of art. Colors, and what colors will you use? You can use green and red color. This is a very beautiful and amazing interesting collection, and this is a very powerful amazing ideas for everyone who wants to give the cozy and beautiful touch in this Xmas season. So hope you enjoyed these ideas and designs. These ideas and these collection are very amazing and beautiful too. This is a very beautiful ornament. This is a very beautiful crafty ideas for everyone who wants to love crafty things. And people says that psychiatrist says that crafting is the very best thing to do for your mind. Mindfulness and happy hormones releases and many more you can do. So these are very amazing and creativity beautiful ideas. So viewers, in this video we are showing you the very useful and very amazing creativity ideas. So we gives you in this video very beautiful ideas. By getting ideas from this video, you can make some ornaments designs, you can make some tassels ideas, you can make some beautiful and with green, red, yellowish and dark green touch. You can create a very beautiful rustic means beautiful interesting bright colors X-Max decorations ideas. So hope you're gonna like this. Make your home filled with creativity, happiness, joyful and amazing creativity of craft. So viewers, in this video I going to show you this amazing collection are very amazing because here is very beautiful cushions, very beautiful ornaments in very beautiful candle designs and Santa's look mug cover and very beautiful and interesting things. And mostly you have to use red color and green color. Red and green touch is fab, and that gives a cozy and beautiful happiness touch of your craft. This crochet craft is very amazing and interesting, and you have to really work on that in this X-Max. You can make some most useful things in this X-Max, and we are going to show you that amazing crafty collection are unique for everyone who is doing very well crafting ideas. Thank you, stay blessed, have a very nice. So here is a very interesting and unique crafty ideas. Make your home fulfilled with craft beautiful happiness, and keep crafting, keep creating something different, keep creating something cozy in this season. So happy, happy, happy